Good afternoon, dear students. Today we will do our second chapter. The chapter name is Bringing Up Carrie. In this chapter, Carrie means an elephant who is 5 months old when the author found him. And the author was 9 years old and the elephant was 5 months old. So the height of the elephant is equal to standing of the author. Elephant lived in a pavilion under a thatched roof, which rested on the thick tree stumps. Because when the elephant bumped against the pole, it would not move down. So the elephant is very intelligent. He did many tasks. Once he saved life of a drowning boy. So Carrie ate at 40 pounds of twigs a day. And the author means the boy here, took him to the river daily. And the elephant baths there. The author rubbed elephant and pour water on him. So it is a very enjoy thing for the elephant in the river, taking bath for a long time. And after that, they went to the jungle, and the boy left the elephant to edge of the forest so that elephant could eat his leaves, twigs of the plant. Then author go deep into the forest for delicious twigs for his dinner, and he has to cut the twigs very effectively. And the writer knew very well that the elephant could not eat mutilated, means damaged twigs. Okay. This was not an easy job to get twigs for Carrie, because the writer uh, has to climb up the tree, all kind of tree, and he had to cut tender twigs. And the elephant like banyan tree twigs. One day, when the writer was cutting twigs for the elephant, and he listened a crying sound, and came down from the tree and ran toward the sound. When he went there, he found that someone was in the water. But I did not found Carrie there. So I thought that Carrie was misplaced. I looked all over, but I could not find him. When I saw deeply in the water, I saw a black something struggling above its surface. Uh, it was the trunk of elephant, and I thought that the elephant was drowning. I was helpless. Then he started to up, and when I standing on the edge of that, and the elephant pulled me inside the water, and when I go down bottom of the water river, I found there a baby lying, and I tried to take him up, but I could not do that because the flow of the river is very slow, and it created a problem to me. Then again, I went down the bottom of the river and I hold the buoy and started to swim upper side. I struggled very hard, but I found that I could not save him. Then the Carrie, the elephant, stretched his trunk towards me and he encircled around my neck. I thought that something water creature wanted to eat me, but it was the trunk of the elephant. So the elephant pulled me outside, and we both saved the boy very effectively. Next, uh, next incident happened. So this was the last incident when he saved a child, and next accident, sorry, incident, Kerry was like a baby. He had to be trained to be good. And there is a strange feature in the animal. If you uh, realize the elephant that he is doing mistake, he would not repeat his mistake. So same thing happened with Carrie. There are Carrie started love for eating banana, and he developed this love very greatly. Whenever he found bananas near the window, he took all the bananas from the dining room and disappeared. Then family blamed the servant for eating the bananas, but next time the same thing happened, and now the blame was put on me. But I know that I am innocent, and someone was picking up bananas from the window. Third time, when I was sitting inside the room, and I found that a large black snake type is taking up the banana. I thought that this was a strange type of snake who ate bananas. So I go outward, and when then I show that running the elephant to his hatched his pavilion, and I thought at once that Carrie has stolen all the bananas for the weeks. When I went there, I found there laying bananas near him. So then took I took elephant by his ear and took to my family, and I told my family member that it was not I, but this elephant who had stole the banana many times. So this was the incident, and Carry the elephant learned a lot of things from this incident. After that, he never stole banana. Whenever someone offered him banana, he accepted and squeak in his voice as he is saying thank you. So there is a next incident. We can learn many things to elephant when we want to let the sit down the elephant. We has to say that and pulled him by ear. He will sit, and he will learn to sit by saying that and pulled by him the ear. If you say Mali, if you say Mali word and pull his trunk forward, he will gradually learn that it is the signal to walk. So Carrie is a very fast learner, and he learned Mali word after 3 lessons, but to learn that he take uh, 3 weeks time. So why we need to elephant sit down? Because elephant grow the tallest in our earth, on our earth, and we need to take a ladder to climb on the back of elephant. So it is easy to sit down for elephant so we can ride upon it. But the most difficult thing to teach an elephant is the master call, and the carry takes 5 years to learn it properly. What is the master call? Master call is the strange hissing, howling sound, as if a snake and a tiger were fighting each other. And you have to make this kind of noise in the ear of elephant. And do you know what you expect from the elephant when he hear this sound? Suppose you are in a jungle and there is no one, and there is no one, only trees are there, and you have to stay for there in the night, but you don't want to stay there. So you have to just say master call to the elephant, and when elephant listen this, he he start to pull down the trees in front of you, and this frightened all the animals away. When the crashing the trees, there will be sound, and it wakes up monkeys, and they started to run branch to branch, and there is a chaotic situation. And the now then the elephant start to crumble down all the trees and make a way for you, next, and you can go easily through. So you can make your way by the help of elephant. So this is a story, yeah, we can say this is a story of a elephant carry, how he saved a child, how he does mischief, and what is how to train elephant with words that Mali master call. So now there is exercise. Okay, I will provide you PDF for reading. Thank you.